Hello. So we are going to analyze the market for this week. And for this week, we are going to focus on indices only. So we focus on the US30, the S&P, and probably the DAX. So this is what we are going to do today. But before even going further, it's better to always look at the economic calendar. Let's look at the economic calendar and see exactly what is going to happen this week with all the news that we have, because this is something very critical, very important to have a look at, because you know, you can have a good technical analysis, but if there are some news, it can mess your analysis. So it's always good to have a look and see exactly what is happening in the market in terms of news this week. So I use investing.com for me to be able to see all the news that are going to happen this week. Now, let's get back to the chart. The first thing we are going to do is the US30. And it's always better. Personally, I always start on the daily time frame. So I will take my standard line on the daily time frame. It's because I want to make sure that I know exactly the direction of the market, where is the trend going. So I'll start with the daily time frame. And I always also like to have my channel to see exactly where the price has been moving. So I can have something similar to this. And just from here, I can already see that this price, the trend was down, but now it just broke. It just broke this area, and then it's going up. So this is something that I see happen here. For someone who's taking the position on the daily time frame, so this is exactly the scenario that you can have here, something like this, the price going up here, because if I draw my key level, I can see where the price is going. I can have my key level here. The first one, I can have one here. And key level is so important because it gives you an idea of where the price can retrace, or where the price can consolidate, or where the price is going. It helps you with your take profit and your stop loss. So it's very important to draw your key level. When you have your key level already drawn on your chart, it makes things easier. When you look at the market, you can see where the price is going and what is really happening. So somehow you could have something like this. And I'm sure if we go back, we see the price going up somewhere. But we are not here. We are not going to spend more time on the daily time frame. Now let's move. Now we know that the price is going up because it broke this downtrend. It retested, and now it's going up. That for someone who's taking it on the daily, on the daily time frame, I think the best place to take the position, you must check this area here. So just when the price will break up here, so you can now go and take your position. If long position, if you are doing it on the daily time frame, so you can have something like this and slightly below. So this is if you do on daily time frame. But we are not taking the position on daily time frame. We go on now let's go back on the 4-hour time frame. And after the 4-hour time frame, we go on the 1-hour time frame. That's where we are going to take our position. So with the 4-hour time frame, just a moment. So we see here with the 4-hour time frame, this is what we have. Let's see if the price is also going up on the 4-hour time frame, because that's what we want to do. We want to make sure that on the daily, on the 4-hour, and then on the 1-hour, the price is still going up. That's how we can be more confident of what is happening. So here, the first thing I can see here is to draw some level here. I see that the price, there is some level here. This level is also very important. I see that the price reacted at this area so many times. So it's a good place for me to draw. I draw my first area there. And then I see that we had another small area right here. Yes, we had another area right here. So here the price was consolidating. There is some consolidation here just inside, but then the price broke. You see, it's almost the same with what happened with the other one. So the price broke here. It came to retest, and then it's going up. So I can see that on the 4-hour also, the price is going up right now. So now let me go on the 1-hour time frame. Now I want to take the position on the 1-hour time frame. I see that on all the other time frame, the price is already going up. Now let me see on the 1-hour time frame what is happening there. Let's go on the 1-hour. I can still keep my key levels. The one I draw here, I can still keep them. Let's still keep this one and keep this one as well. And now just shift to, and I see there's a key area here also. Why? Because I see the reaction of the market. There's some reaction here in the market. So I can see just one. So now let me go on the 1 hour time frame. That's where we are going to take our position on the 1 hour time frame, because we don't want to take them on a very big time frame, because it might take long before we reach our target. And since we are doing things weekly, it's better to take it so that we can reach our take profit or our stop loss as soon as possible, and then we move to something else. So let's draw again. We can see some areas inside here. Let's draw it then. It's very important to draw areas, like all the areas that you see. It's always important to draw them, because it will help you to know exactly what is happening in the market. And if the price starts falling or going up, where is it going to stop? So I have this one, that first, and then I can see a trend line here. I can see a trend line here. So with this trend, on the 1 hour, it gives me even a clear picture. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what I see, what's happened in the market with this trend line. So this is what's happened in the market. The price is going up for this one. And then I also always like to have channels, because I want to see where the price has been moving. I can have something like this. Not really so many points, but I think this can work. So we can have a channel here. We see that the price has been moving inside here. So now what I do when I have something like this, I have my trend that is going up already, but now I want to, but right now we see that we have a retracement. So for me, when there's a retracement, what we can do is we need to find some counter trends before we can take the position. So the counter trends here, I can see, we take the small one. I can see this one. It's a counter trend. Let me change the color. Yes, it's a counter trend. So the price it's going up, but I see there's a counter trend inside here. So it's this counter trend that I'm going to wait for it to break before I can take my position. So the price is going up, but there's a counter trend. Then I will wait for this one to break so I can take the position. So this is what I'm going to do here. And I see an area here as well. And see an area here as well. Let me see. Is there an area there? Yes, there's something here that I can also take advantage of. I can also take advantage of this one. So now this is what we have. The price is going up, but now we have a retracement. So I'm going to wait for the price to break this counter trend. So it's just the trend that is going opposite to the big trend. So when the price is going to break here, that's when I can take my position. Now, in this case, I'm going to wait for two things. First, the price to break the counter trend, and second, the price to break this area. So when I have that, I can say, okay, I'm fine. I can now buy. So this is what I'm waiting for, the price to break something here. It will probably retest. And then after that, it can go to look for that's at the area up there. So this area, and again, I'm sure if we go there, you see we already have something here. We have something here. So this area is a valid area where I think that the price will go. It's not just something that we imagine. I think the price will go to here. So this is my view on the US30. This is my view on the US30. So we have this, and then we can have our position. We go long. We wait for the price to break, retest, and then when it comes back, we have here, our take profits will be somewhere there, and our stop loss will be slightly below this area. So you see that this one only can give us a very good risk-reward ratio. This is giving us something around 1 to 3. Yes, this is almost 1 to 3. So it means like you are risking $1 to make $3. So this is a very good position that you can take. So now all this will be shared in our Telegram group. We have a free Telegram group, and also we have a a paid Discord group. That's where we do all the live videos, where you can see everything, how we analyze the market and all the updates. Just go on the in the description. You are going to find all those the information there where you can join. You can join the free Telegram group or the Discord group, the one that is VIP paid, and you'll get you'll be able to see how we analyze the market. So this was the first one that we have here for the US30. Now let's go to the second one. I think the second one is with the NASDAQ. Now, you know, the US30, the NASDAQ, and the S&P, most of them, they are going to move on the same direction. And you can even see the picture here. You see, you can see that the picture is, I will say the picture is just the same. So same thing here that you can see. We can see some area here. Some area there. We can see another area here. You see for the S&P and same thing, we see the price broke. So we are not really going to spend a lot of time here because it's just the same thing. The price broke here and it's going up. It's going up. We can clone it to have some type of channel. There's some type of channel, and we see the price also is doing the same thing. Now let's draw our counter trend. We can see that we have a counter trend somewhere there. So with this counter trend also, it's really clear that what is going to happen now is we are going to wait for the price to break that counter trend. Only once it breaks this counter trend, then we can get into the market and take our position. But before that, it's not safe to go into to take the position. So we need to wait for the price to break here. And exactly as I said, it's almost the same. It's almost the same with the other one. So the target will also be the same. It just broke here. It breaks here. So we can expect something. Can expect something like this to break and then probability test and go up and go. So all this will be shared in the Telegram group where you can be able to see it. But this is my view. This is my view. And also we go most of the time we go with pending orders because it's safe with pending orders. So we go with pending orders, and same scenario with the S&P. So it's just exactly the same, like S&P, US30, the NASDAQ. Most of the time, not always, but most of the time they move in the same direction. So this is just my view on what is going to happen on all those US indices for this week. And so if you really wanted to have even more information about it, to see exactly how we analyze the market, to see our enterprises, our stop loss, our take profit and everything, you can join our free Telegram channel. You can see the link in the description in our free Telegram channel where we talk about where we send all those signals. And also we have a paid group, a paid community. Now in the paid community, you don't only get the free signal because signal but only not enough. In the paid community, we have our recorded videos where you can exactly you can understand how we analyze the market and why we take those decisions like that. We have where we have like almost 10 hours of recorded videos, and then you'll be part of the Team Capital Discord group. And besides that, we have two daily live call where we talk about where we trade live. We show you exactly how we are analyzing. So we take the position together. And on Sunday, we have some calls, success and money. We put it success and money call, but the truth is that it's the psychology. It's all about psychology because we all know that trading, it's all about psychology. Even if you have a good strategy, but the psychology is what really matters the most. So that's one thing. And besides that, we give you access to our Forex bot, our bot that is coming very soon, like in the coming weeks. And so you can choose which one the one you want. You have the one month or 6 months or 1 year. And all the information are there, and also same, you can find all the information there in the description. And besides that, we also have another offer that is now more about the one-on-one coaching. So if you're interested in the one-on-one coaching, that's one where you don't do it in a group, but you have someone who will be with you and show you exactly all the steps. But the one-on-one coaching, you can just go and book a free call. So that's it for today with what we think is going to happen on the with all the US with all the US index. But most importantly, also don't forget to go back to the news, because the news are very important. You need to come and check the news to see. And today and this week, there's a lot of news that will affect the US economy. So it's very important for us, for you, to always come back here to the news to check exactly what is happening. So thanks a lot for watching this video. And I'm really looking forward to meet you in our Telegram group or Discord group or the one-on-one coaching, and help you to become really, really, really successful with online trading. So see you to the next video.